In this video, we can talk about top 5 neural love alternatives and competitors. Hey creative souls! Welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of photo editing and uncovering top 5 alternatives of neural love, which are Fotor, Pixlr, Topaz Studio, Skylum Luminar, and Lunapic. Without any further delays, let's get started. Our first alternative is Fotor. Positioned as a versatile and user-friendly online photo editing tool, Fotor offers a comprehensive set of features for enhancing and transforming your images. It offers exclusive features like Cloud Album, Chrome Extension, PNG Maker, and Face Editor. With its intuitive interface and easy-to-use editing tools, Fotor caters to both beginners and experienced photographers alike. And one of its standout features lies in its HDR technology, which enables you to create stunning images with enhanced details and vibrant colors. Second alternative on our list is Pixlr. Pixlr stands out as a powerful online photo editing tool that excels in both functionality and user-friendliness. It offers features like design templates, animations, filters and effects, and digital inking. From basic edits like cropping and resizing to advanced adjustments of colors and tones, Pixlr covers it all. Notably, Pixlr's standout feature lies in its advanced layering functionality, enabling users to have precise control over the editing process and create intricate compositions. Next up, we have Topaz Studio. Renowned for its advanced AI-driven technologies, Topaz Studio is a powerful photo editing software that offers a range of features for enhancing and manipulating your images. It offers exclusive features like image upscaling, stabilization, and motion interpolation. It also offers an intuitive masking system for precise adjustments and selective edits. One standout feature of Topaz Studio is its AI Clear feature, which intelligently analyzes and enhances image details while preserving overall image quality, resulting in more detailed photos. Fourth alternative on our list is Skylum Luminar. Skylum Luminar is a feature-rich photo editing software that combines a comprehensive editing toolkit with an intuitive interface. It offers key features like image editor, background remover, and retouch portraits. Designed to meet the needs of photographers of all skill levels, Luminar offers a wide range of editing tools, including basic adjustments, filters, and advanced features. And one of the standout features of Skylum Luminar is its AI sky replacement feature, with the help of which you can easily replace skies in your photos with more visually appealing ones. Last but not the least, we have Lunapic. Lunapic is a versatile online photo editing tool that offers a plethora of special effects and creative options. It offers features like color spotting, motion blur, and object removal. The platform also supports the creation of GIF from images or videos, making it a fun tool for adding animated elements to your projects. One of the standout features of Lunapic is its extensive collection of effects, providing endless possibilities for creative photo editing. Compared to neural love, Fotor is known for its batch processing capability and also for a dedicated HDR, high dynamic range, feature that can combine multiple exposures of the same scene to create stunning images. Pixlr provides a unique collage feature that allows you to easily create collages using multiple photos, ideal for creating photo montages. Topaz Studio offers innovative texture features that enable you to apply realistic textures to the images. Skylum Luminar comes with a sophisticated portrait enhancement feature to automatically detect faces and applying professional-grade portrait adjustments with just a few clicks. And Lunapic offers a lesser-known feature called the Meme Generator, which can easily create custom memes by adding text captions to the images. Based on extensive research, we would recommend Skylum Luminar as the best alternative to neural love among the 5 options. Skylum Luminar stands out as a powerful and feature-rich photo editing software that offers a comprehensive toolkit for enhancing and transforming images. Overall, Skylum Luminar's combination of a user-friendly interface, powerful editing capabilities, and innovative AI features make it the best alternative to Neural Love among the 5 options provided. As we come to the end of exploring the best alternatives to Neural Love, we hope you found inspiration in the incredible photo editing tools we've uncovered. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.